Hello everyone, so this video, I know I'm cranking them out this morning. This is my third video this morning. So anyway, don't worry, the hairstyle and everything, the look, it's coming up. You'll see it soon, very soon. So yeah, but this video is about the update on my website, etc. I told you all that I was working on trying to get my website up and running so I can start back crystal blinging thing, although I have been doing things for people on the side, but I haven't been doing things for myself and for my store. So I finally got my website up and running. The store part of it is still under construction because I'm still working on items to stock. So that part of it is still under construction, but the rest of the website is pretty much up and running. If you want to see like a photo gallery of some of the things that I've done, some of the things that I've sold in the past, and some of the things I've done for my mom, it's all listed there on my website. So be sure to check it out. I'll put the link in the info box. My new website address is meechescustombling.com. That's the website address. And like I said, I'll put the link in the info box. Also, if you go to my channel page here on YouTube, you will there's a on the right hand bottom corner, you will see my website, my eBay store, and Instagram, the link to Instagram, my Instagram page as well. So you'll see all three of those actually on my page, so you can click on those. Some of the items that I'm going to be stocking on the website, I'm still working on them. I have quite a bit. Of shoes. I probably got over 12 or maybe 20 pair of shoes. They just stacked up over in the corner that I'm going to be working on. And I'm also going to be stocking vanity mirrors. And these are the makeup mirrors that they have the zoom in. I can show you one of them. Let me see. I'll show you one that I haven't done. So I'm going to be stocking these on my website and the store, so you'll be seeing these on there. And I got it turned like this so the reflection won't be in there, but this is I'm going to try to keep these stocked in my store. They're going to be blinged out all over in different colors. If you want a particular color and it's not listed, just let me know. And also I have a Hello Kitty item for Valentine's Day, and it's only one. I'm not going to be restocking these. This is something I custom made somewhat on my own, and I'll show it to you. So yeah, I'm going to be listing this for sale pretty soon. So this is a Hello Kitty item that I actually did myself. I custom made this actually. It was a figurine. It's plastic, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. But it was just basically a figurine at the bottom part, and I actually made the heart and the little stem to go down inside of it. I did that on my own for Valentine's Day, and I thought it would turn out really cute. It says love, and you can see that it's completely blinged out, and I thought it would be a really cute Valentine's Day gift for someone who really loves Hello Kitty. I like Hello Kitty, but y'all know I'm a Tweety Bird fan for life. So, but this is it, and I'm going to be posting this for sale soon, really soon. So look out for it. And I'm going to do a video on it as well. So, like I said, I'm going to be having quite a bit of different items on my website. Starbucks tumblers, and etc, etc. So, just check it out and look out for those. Like I said, the store is still under construction. I haven't actually added items to the store yet, as of yet. I just have it organized in categories, but I haven't really started stocking things and adding them up yet. I'm trying to get things stacked up before I actually start listing them on there. So I'll be doing that soon. So yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.